Probably. It looked like a liver though.
You look like a liver.
I do look like a liver. But I live for her, you know?
Shut the fuck up.
That's real shit, bro.
Fucking dedication.
Okay,
How did you
mine-
throw that through a wall?
I only
What?
upgraded to rare. I didn't get legend.
Yeah, I only got rare too.
Epic, yeah.
I
only have rare
can
as
I
well.
can buy the next trial. I only got like
Awesome. No, you don't. Save your money. You
Save
get
my
1,000.
okay.
Don't
I just
kill
got
him.
that last second. BMO, you want to buy one at least? Go 7,000.
I'll keep the zombie here with me.
Go check out rewards.
Actually, no. Check your reward. Come to the
Jaden,
station with us.
Do
Alright.
rewards stack? If we keep it, will it go up to legendary or no?
I don't think so. I think we have to take it. You know what? I'll test it out. I'll test that theory out. I'll leave my reward. BMO, you want to start this?
Or yeah, let
Brett,
BMO
you
do
could.
it.
BMO?
BMO. I can't hear Bimbo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, with the
Bimbo.
equipment? Oh.
Oh, there he
Kill
is.
the zombie. Kill the zombie. Kill the
Kill the
zombie.
zombie. Kill the zombie now.
got it.
With the equipment.
Hell yeah, I got one monkey bomb.
Got 2 C4s.
I just need
staying
to
in
train
tunnel.
them. I need to train them.
No, you have a monkey, you use it, no one else take his kills. I hate when people do that. I'm gonna stay in tunnel though.
When people still get monkey kills, I know, right?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people done that in public matches. I'm like, bruh.
For real.
Literally had like at least 25 of them. This guy pulled up with the DIE, just blast them all to hell. I'm like, ooh, why?
Bro, I'm trying to get stuff.
I got an epic. Try to get more.
I just need more
30
zombies.
seconds.
I'm gathering them. I'm training them. Give it 20 seconds. I think this
got a
should be good.
common.
I have an
should be
epic.
good.
If I can get a legendary, I'll give you guys mine, and then I'll just pick up the.
Oh, this got to be it. Oh my god,
got an epic.
I got so many.
I got legendary.
I got
Good.
legendary. I got legendary. Should I claim it now?
I got a legendary.
Oh, yeah, go down to claim it.
Oh shit.
I got it from Moss. I didn't get it.
Let's see.
Guard me.
You
guard
might
me,
get
guard
lucky.
me, guard
You
me.
might get it.
Hopefully.
Oh, it's a pack-a-punch from Moss. Hey.
Oh, got a stoner. Wait, is that pack-a-punched?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo, who wants the pack-a-punch stoner?
Good,
Well, nah, I got two
Moss.
upgraded.
It's a purple
Orion.
pack-a-punch stoner.
Oh, here, hold up.
Alright, let's set up another one. Stop killing.
That was close.
Oh,
Kill zombies in particle accelerator. Understood. Dark ass room. Take your shotguns out.
oh shit. I ain't never seen this one. Where's the big ass dude? Is he just hiding?
He's just hiding.
Ah.
Being a wuss.
Ah shit.
Where's BMO at?
I had a horde and I would have died if I hadn't killed him.
Ah, yeah, you're good.
I don't even know where the guy's at.
Me neither. I think that might be the last zombie that's over here.
Got an exfil option,
Yeah.
right, team.
I don't think we're gonna get it this one.
Yeah.
BMO, you want to
Back
get
up.
the next one?
Go buy next one.
So what?
1,000 points.
50,000.
Crash out of the way. Oh shit. Oh.
Easy clap.
Yeah, but this is rare. This is not.
Oh yeah, no, it does carry over if I'm correct though.
It does.
So don't
What'd you
grab
say?
it.
It does carry over,
Yes.
so we can get a legendary if we keep this reward.
Yeah, we should. I mean, I got a legendary by keeping mine, so. I got a rare. Who knows, I might be able to get an epic.
I got epic.
How'd you get an epic? Well, I have rare. What?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
I got
no,
red.
you did grab one.
I never collected my
Let me
reward
suck.
from
Let me
the
suck.
Yeah. We suck.
I never collected my reward from the second challenge.
Yeah. Nice. Start it up again, Bimbo.
Exfil no longer available.
Start up again, Bimbo,
I'll
yeah.
notify you when Raptor 1's back in range.
Get it done. Get it done.
Well, I'm gonna collect my
I even
reward
get the
because
die shock from mine.
I
If
collected it.
I
I
have it. No, wait till
Oh,
you
wait
get
till you get
legendary.
legendary.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh,
Sims.
Sims,
I
yeah.
had my stimps. Yeah, we're good. This is a shit show to be in right here.
Oh,
Hit me. Hit me! Hit me!
I got legendary.
I'm up to epic.
I'm epic as well.
Yo, I don't remember them throwing stuff at you so often.
No, they updated it to where they do now.
I got epic.
I got legendary.
Still on
Heads
epic.
up.
Alright, I got legendary.
These all my
Big
fucking
zombie.
stims.
Big guy.
Yep.
Oh no!
You're good, I got you.
Ow!
I'm coming. Oh. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I got a perk.
Nice.
I got a perk, not the machine. Not the gun. One more and we might be able to get it. Or I might be able to.
See what I get. What's that?
It might be a perk bottle. I got a perk.
Up.
What'd you get?
Was the one that gives you element power
Yeah.
power shots, you know.
Right, you also got a perk.
Deadshot.
Nice. I just need Deadshot as my last perk. Oh, shotgun time, baby!
Come on, guys. Gotta get die shock.
And max ammo. Focus that son of a bitch.
I'm so close to getting a purple shotgun.
I am so close as well.
I need to stop. I need to start buying some perks.
I'm gonna go get my last perk. Oh no. I'll probably get. Do I need quick revive?
If you want to be able to regenerate your health faster. Do you have it tier 3?
What?
No, I.
Yeah,
Wait,
quick revive
I
tier
think I do. I think actually, I think I do. I think I just started tier 3. I'm leaving. I am out. I am gone.
Shit, I'm still in.
Oh my. I didn't even get an award for that one. Didn't even kill anybody.
Teddy bear.
Oh.
I'm going down to start one up. Alright.
Oh shit. No.
Sitting on a rare right now.
Sitting on a rare as well.
I got legendary. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Alright,
I still haven't gotten this little reward.
Let me claim my reward. See what I get.
Legendary?
Mm-hmm.
I still have a rare. Yeah, he legendary. I want to see what you get.
Hold
You got
on.
an AUG.
Oh,
Oh, you got a fire sale.
fire sale. Oh shit. Go, go.
I love how it was that epic music, and then we cut to this.
Huh.
Nice.
Jaden, you want to start another one?
Hold on. Dude, let me grab my fucking weapon. Thank you. The zombies in tunnel. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Hold up.
Start the round. Buy stims.
Perks. Should be good. Should be
Buying
set.
free. I don't want to overspend.
You gotta be in here though.
I got an epic. I should be sitting on a legendary.
I got an epic.
Intel? This got Intel.
Yeah,
Yep.
my reward is just intel.
That's not your reward though, that's just something that you can get.
Oh.
So I don't have to pick it up.
No, I mean you have to
Jimbo,
pick up
come-
intel from the computer.
Jimbo, come buy it.
Oh, I got an epic, damn.
Oh, I had to use my Aether shot. I almost
You
died.
get the intel from the computer where you normally buy the stuff. If we all have intel, then you have to get that before doing anything else. Damn, I had epic. I should have kept firing. I had to max.
Are we doing another
5,000 for
trial?
that. Yeah, do another trial. Oh shit, my points.
Here, I'll buy it.
Oh, medbay? Bet. I was just there.
Oh no!
Hold up.
Someone buy him.
I got you, Run, 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 run. Oh yeah,
Activity 1 in medbay.
106.
I'm so close to a legendary.
I'm standing
I know,
on
I'm
the
on
rare right
epic.
now.
That's nice.
I'm gonna add
Around
them
20.
all.
Okay, come on.
So Strauss, if your old pals were studying interdimensional bullshit, what would they use it for? What was Project N Station's
Oh, we're so close. Come on, just game. Just give us the DIE Shockwave. Where's the box located, if anyone knows?
No idea.
I got legendary, baby.
Still on epic. I'm trying.
I'm getting nothing. Going freaking rare.
Alright, I'm getting
Alright,
the
I got
fuck outta
legendary. I
here.
got legendary.
I got another perk. God, game, really? Go hit the box.
Did anybody get it?
No. Did get an epic knife.
Are you freaking kidding me? So I'm so mad right now.
Control room. Oh shit.
Trial room. It's trial.
I'll try room.
Got it.
The pack-a-punch stoner if anybody wants it.
No? Brad, can you watch my back?
Aiden, box and punch.
Awesome.
Pack-a-punch stoner right here. Epic. Epic and pack.
Oh shit. Oh.
I don't
Still
think we
sitting
can
in
reward
rare.
this one.
Oh my god. If it doesn't make me go to an epic.
I don't think
Damn
we're gonna
it.
get a reward with this one.
I
You people
still.
have rare.
Yeah, I only got
Alright,
rare right
Brad,
now.
start
Holy
off
crap.
one. Avoid taking damage, easy.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Literally just stay on the run. And I say that
Standing up,
because I
here
can
I
throw
come.
shit at you.
That's where my training skills come to play. Oh shit, oh shit.
Fucking thought you could hit me. your fucking ankles, dog.
Alright, now I'm in an epic.
Speaking to the ankle breaker himself, ain't no way I'm taking damage.
Exactly.
There ain't even no zombies spawning by me. They're all by you guys. Very convenient.
Someone has an epic. Who's blue?
I got an epic.
Josh, you have epic, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Epic.
Yep. 2 epics, 2 commons. Should be a rare pretty soon for both of me and Brett.
Hi, Lulu. Lulu's been on my
Let's
lap
start that
this
shit up
entire
again.
time.
Yeah, kill any
On?
zombie. Easy.
Fucking go. Kill a zombie.
Let's go.
Perfect timing.
Rare BB. Oh, you bitch. Turn your bitch.
Got a rare.
I also have a rare.
Ooh, I can suck.
I got an epic.
Ooh. I'm gonna go claim
There's a
my
big
reward.
guy.
I'm gonna claim my reward right now. Let's see what I get.
Got an epic.
Got a legendary.
I'm going there right now. Let's see. Oh yeah,
I
baby.
still have an epic.
I got it.
Everybody hit. Everybody hit. Everybody hit. Look for a die shock. Everybody hit.
I gotta die. I got one. I got one.
You got one? Nice.
Yes,
Got one?
I got a DIE. Yep. I'm set. Oh. Oh, chill out, chill out.
Bro, it won't let me pick. Fuck.
I'm coming.
I'm stuck. Nope, not happening. Alright, I just need to get a legendary one more time. Hopefully.
Go. Go, I got legendary.
Alright, I'm just gonna go and grab all the perks just so I don't get a perk machine. Not perk machine, perk bottle.
I got it. I got it.
You got the DIE? Nice.
Beautiful.
3 people have it.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the Cairo. Emitter. I like that one.
Cryo round.
I just need one more. I just need to do one more. I gotta get a legendary. Hopefully I can get that.
I'm gonna upgrade my shotgun again.
Bimbo, do you want the Nova 5 or do you want the fire?
I don't care. I don't
Is someone getting ice,
Here.
or can I have that?
I already got ice.
the
You want me
pond.
to switch?
You got ice?
Jaden, do you want the
no,
Nova
no,
5?
you're good. I'll take Nova 5, yeah.
Okay, Bimbo, come to pond. Come to your training.
If y'all got zombies, can you bring them to the yard for me?
I got you.
That's the spot. Bimbo, where you at?
Alright. I'm going towards pond.
Bimbo, come
I
to
just
your
need to kill
training
him.
spot in pond. Come to pond.
I'm going.
And then Josh, did you already get your cryo rounds?
Say it again?
You already get the
Did you get
cryo
your
rounds?
cryo rounds for your gun?
Brett, don't suck this.
I just got legendary.
What?
That's good. Okay.
I suck this up.
No, no.
What is? Wait. What do I do?
Right here.
What do I do?
Box.
Oh.
On the box. No, no, suck it. No, no, come here. Press X on it.
Oh.
Is that the fire?
That's
Got
your
it.
new ammo. Alright, take all these zombies to Jaden.
Nah, I already got legendary. I'm going to collect.
Bad.
Damn, I'm
Let's
unlucky.
go, guys. Aw.
So, do you have the cryo rounds on?
Yeah, I have Cairo.
Pyro.
Yeah, from my DIE.
I'm gonna try getting it from the box.
Picked it up.
Honestly, we can keep doing these because even if we get fire sales, Jaden could get. Jaden, go hit box.
I am.
Believe in you, Jaden. I believe in you. This is it. This is it right here. Oh.
Wait, what'd you get?
This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it.
Fuck it.
Nope. No, this is it.
Come
This
on.
is it. This is it.
I got a legendary. Such a good sign.
This is it. This is
Not a
it. This
good
is it. This is it.
Just cover me. That's all I need. Fuck. Oh, another fire sale. Bet.
Nice, 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 nice.
Can y'all cover me at pond? RP. Alright, I got a common.
Bro, ain't no way we're losing to this boss.
It's almost like I can't miss. Hit Tango down.
You guys want to start another one out?
Sure.
I don't plan on letting any of you live.
I'll buy it.
I got a chopper gunner.
Nice.
Hell yeah. Bedroom.
Not even gonna try grab.
Dead man
Going to bed.
neutralized.
Okay. This should at least get me up to an epic. Because staying in rooms like this really bump you up too.
So for the boss, we just have to protect that guy, right?
Yeah.
From what I saw from, because I watched like Waffle Waffle's tutorial.
Normally it'd be
Hello?
like 2 people protect while 2 people are on the offense.
Okay. So then who's gonna be on the offense then? Or who wants to be?
I'll be offense. No, I'll be more protect because I'm Nova 5. I'm
What'd you
the
say?
protective guy.
I think
2 offense, 2 defense. I'm gonna be Nova 5, so that means I'm gonna be on defense.
I got the Cairo, so I think I should also be defensive.
I think Cairo.
Yeah, and I got the electric,
and-
which means I can shred the bosses.
Yeah, I was gonna say Cryo and Nova 5 should be protect since Cryo rounds slow them down.
I
Yeah.
just realized I keep saying Cairo
Honestly, the
instead of
Nova
Cryo.
5 shreds the bosses too if they sit.
I'm so dumb.
Well, yeah, they sit there. But I'm saying like we can
Honest-
cover. It's more of a cover thing because they're all gonna be storming towards the guy, so I can just pop it at his butt. Alright, how much? I have enough to upgrade once. Damn. Alright, teddy bear. It's fine by me. And it's
Suck
not,
ammo.
but like, okay. What'd you say?
Now's a good time to suck ammo.
Oh yeah, you're right. I don't got that shit though, so. Where's this box at, dog? Come on. Come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Like it.
Man, it's the kill and a max ammo? He's crazy.
That cut you. Okay, I think it's in spawn.
Oops.
If y'all want to start up another challenge, that'd be much appreciated.
Oh yeah, I can buy one.
The box is in the worst spot possible. All crouched, easy clap. Oh, and an insta kill? Give.
Hey!
Add an epic, come on, bring me more zombies. Damn it. I'll start hitting the box while I have the chance.
I'm gonna triple pack my shotgun.
No, I don't want a knife. This is the one time I don't want a knife. Oh, I love you.
Nice.
And I'll buy it again. That shit's light, bro.
Critical finisher, easy.
Yep. With that shot to Curry, man. Watch it. Watch
I don't know how I just got out of there, but I did, and I'm proud of myself.
I'm going, but this box is not moving. I just need zombies.
Infected threat removed.
Game, just shine some love on me, please.
Go, Jaden, go. Go, Jaden, go.
Damn it!
Get it?
I'm hitting the box, but that's not what I said damn it for. I didn't get a legendary.
I'll buy it again.
I didn't even go from that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't know about all that. We need an insta-kill, man.
This is taking forever to get high-grade salvage.
Yeah, it costs like
Ugh.
1,000 of that to upgrade to like 5 tier, legendary tier. That's
Yep.
tough.
Oh damn it! This is the second worst spot to be.
Oh, crap.
Fuck, yo, this game chat's starting to get fucked up again.
Oh shit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Big guy, get off
I'm
my
gonna buy it
ass,
again.
huh? Eh? Get off my ass, you bitch.
Weapon slabs. Come here, come here.
I'm running down to weapons. Hopefully I can finally get this done, like Jesus.
Oh, big guy. Hold up, big guy. Hold up. Stop.
Legendary, finally.
Fuck, okay, I ran out of ammo for my shotgun.
Oh, I got an armored zombie as a brain rot.
Oh yeah.
I got legendary. I'm gonna go collect it now. Let's see. I got another DIE.
Really?
Yep. Wait,
Can
if
you buy a wall weapon real fast and then collect it? Like with your DIE? Because if you do that, it drops.
I just buy a wall weapon and then it just drops, right?
Buy a wall weapon with your DIE will fall on the floor. Then you can collect your
What's
reward.
going on?
Okay, come here. Hold up, I'm getting fucking.
Oh, I
finished.
got it. No, you're good. Bye.
You got it?
Get it
Okay.
again. Yeet.
Hell yeah.
Yeet. I'm collecting the whatever it is. Mobile Nova 5. Alright, I got Nova 5. All I gotta do is upgrade and pack my weapon.
But what?
Huh?
You're upgrading the wonder weapon?
No, my weapon.
Oh,
Pack a punch weapon. Not pack a punch weapon, but yeah, you know. What I missed.
Infected threat removed.
Jaden,
Huh.
you have the die shock yet?
Yeah.
You got Nova 5?
Yeah.
Alright, so everybody's got one and it's all got elements?
Yep.
Yep.
I think, yeah, I believe we all have it.
Everybody have their perks.
I have all 6. Yep.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me replenish my armor.
I got all
don't have
6.
this quicker. Oh, hold on. Let me get quicker real quick.
Yeah.
I only have 71 ammo for my cryo.
Well, I'm gonna at least start the cutscene, or at least not the cutscene, the ghost, to at least get the
Yeah.
picture when we're ready.
Alright.
I just gotta
Holy
pack
shit,
punch my
boys, here we
shotgun one
go.
more time.
This is gonna be intense. Take your blankets off
I
if
wish
you're
it-
cold, because you're about to get hot, because it's gonna get sweaty.
Alright.
Dude, I wish I could have gotten
David
the shot to
Zombie.
legendary.
I
if
wish
could've gotten
you,
the shot-
but
I
oh well.
Yeah. Buy ammo. Oh shoot, I need ammo for my wonder weapon.
Suck zombies up or something.
I'm trying to find some.
Ah, Big Red. Alright, I'll let you finish them off. There you go.
Alright, thank you. Oh, I got like 30 bullets just from absorbing that megaton bomber. Useful information for sure.
I know this is kind of wasting bullets, but like if you still suck them up, you can get your stuff.
Slowly, gradually.
Alright,
Hey, are you guys ready for
There you
boss
go.
fight or no?
I feel like
We
we
killed
go
Big
one more round,
Red.
so I need so I can
Well-
get we can get ammo.
we'll give it one
Jaden,
more
did
round
you-
with that.
Jaden, did you tier 3 pack a punch?
No, tier 2.
I only
How
need
about you, Josh?
3k.
'Cause you guys are close.
Yeah, I
you guys
need
are close.
3,000. 3,000 more, and then I'll pack a punch it.
That's
Tier
why I
three.
said just give us
Bimbo.
the one more round and then
Bimbo,
we'll
what
collect
tier are you
mid-round.
at?
I'm tier 3. I just need ammo for my
Oh,
wonder weapon.
bet.
Exfil window available.
Yeah, guys, I think we should exfil.
Yeah, screw these,
Yeah.
we can just get out.
Yeah, let's get the XP. We need it.
I'm gonna fry your ass.
Just sees 3 people accept, and then press decline. We evac. Big oof.
I would
Alright.
actually throw my. I will never.
Oh no,
play
you'd be
these
fucking
again.
pissed. Oh yeah. Also be heated. I would have done it for a joke. Wouldn't accept it. No.
I need an insta-kill, man.
Oh, make sure everyone has tier 3 armor, not just tier 2.
Oh,
I got tier 3. Oh yeah, Bimbo, you only got tier 2.
Zombie down.
Yeah. I'll get after this round. Tier 3 is the
It
one
takes
with
your rare
500
scrap. Oh, that should help. Just a bit.
Just a bit.
Jaden, go pack a bunch.
Yes, sir.
Cover you, go pack a bunch.
Alright, my Wonder Woman's fully.
Awesome. Pack punched it, and that gave me full ammo. I'm ready. Guys, you ready?
I pack a
Hold on.
punch it. Let me get let
Bimbo,
me
go see if you
replenish
can
my
tier
armor.
3 armor.
How much is it? 500?
I don't
I
remember.
think it's 250. 250 rare
250.
scrap.
It's cheap. It's cheap. Second one's the most expensive.
Exfil option closed. Raptor 1 will be
Second
down.
one is the most expensive. The third one is the most though because it's your rare scrap, not just your salvage.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is 640. Alright, cool, we're good. We're good. I got 2 or 3.
Tier 3. All right. Me and Brett gotta replenish ours.
I'm gonna
and then we
fill
should
my
be
armor.
fine.
I'm gonna fill my armor.
Same. I'm going back down to do that.
I just took a few hits, but it's still above 3, so. it's
Alright, my armor's full. I'm gonna go grab the picker. Everybody got like
Alright.
tacticals and lethals they want, and they're full.
I don't have lethal, but I have my tactical. I
You
got
guys
2
like
monkeys.
want monkeys or snakes or something?
Normally I'd say stims, but for now I'm doing monkeys. I got 2 monkeys.
I have stims and C4s.
Yeah. I have
Alright.
two. I have
You
two
You guys
stims,
ready?
two C4.
Are you guys ready?
Wait.
But Jaden's not, so.
I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab it.
Grab it.
Hell
Going straight to
yeah.
the boss fight, boys.
Let's go! Let's go!
Alright guys, here we go. Here we go.
Okay. Gotta wipe off my hands.
long
Kind of
time
sweaty,
awaited.
bro.
I know.
And BMO.
Yep.
You got
The
that.
first place he's going is right here. All right. See
Where,
me?
which one? Show. Let me see.
Right here. Right here. Right here.
Okay.
He's right here.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah, that's where he's gonna be. Bro, you fucking ugly. Did he just say that word?
Call of Duty cancelled.
Bro, he just said the N word.
He did it.
Well, I can't explain really.
There's ammo right there. Remember that. When y'all need to replenish. Yeah, no, it's 5,000. Remember that.
Wait, 5,000 to what?
We all have the one.
Ah, dude, fucking prepared. A lot of bosses are gonna spawn. I'm telling you that now.
Alright, alright.
Stay on the move! Stay on the move!
Oh, fuck.
If you can, use your other gun whenever you need to. Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, we got one. Where's he at? I don't know where he moved to.
Oh, right here,
Oh,
right here.
there.
On me, on me.
I'm trying to get ammo. Throwing a monkey.
Oh shit, I fell. Oh, I'm not there, I'm not there. I'm not there, Jay. Oh, I'm actually, oh, I'm getting heavy damage.
There's no one on you, dog.
Dude, why do I keep slipping off? What the fuck?
That's another one down.
Below, pack a punch.
Alright, I'm here.
I have no ammo from my DIE, give me a second. You gotta protect me for now. I'm just absorbing.
I'm throwing a monkey. This is my last one.
Alright.
Trying to get all the zombies off of them. Guys, boss. Second half boss by Big Game.
Should we do it?
Do
No,
we
I
win?
know
don't
what's
think
happening.
so. I don't.
Nah, that's too
there's
easy,
gonna be
bro.
another part, I think. We
So
must
what's
go
going
now.
on? You'll
We
come up
better
here.
leave, he says.
What do you say? Leave where?
Oh no, he just said you must
Because there's gonna
go
be an
now.
exfil. There's gonna be an
Particle
exfil.
accelerator's self-destructing. I think this is gonna be the only way that we can leave.
That's all I need to hear.
Yeah, we good.
Get the hell out of there.
Let's go!
Oh my
Run!
god. Okay.
Avoid the things, avoid the things.
Avoid the blue flames.
Oh fuck, no!
No!
Brett, use
Shit!
your thing. Ability if you can.
Brett.
I don't have it.
No! Oh, why did I choke, bro? Oh man.
Oh my god.
Hold up. Oh, bro.
As long as one of us survives, we're fine.
I'm good now.
Dude, I don't even know
I'm
where the
empty
fuck.
back.
Where the fuck do I go? Holy. Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, dude. Dude, I'm literally trapped. No.
Let's go!
Oh, we did it.
Boys!
Oh my god. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Thank God, bro.
Welcome.
Good work, Strike Team.
Go!
Bro.
But I got a feeling Omega is getting started.
Holy shit. That shit was
Dude,
tense.
when I went down, I honestly thought it was. Oh my
I
god.
thought
No, I was still alive. I had a chopper gunner.
Dude.
I made sure I stayed alive.
Oh my god.
Coming in clutch there, Jay. Coming in clutch.
dude!
Oh my god.
Oh. Yeah, seal the deal. I got a trophy, baby.
Dude, listen, she's gonna have.
Fuck yeah. How many times I level up? Damn.
So nice.
Dude, I got a new.